Who is Livathan, the sea monster? Let's know. In the waves of ancient mythology lurks a creature of terrifying power, Livathan. This legendary sea monster has haunted human imagination for centuries, appearing in ancient texts, religious scriptures, and folklore across the world. The name Livathan originates from the Hebrew Bible, where it's described in the book of Job as a massive, untamable sea beast created by God. With its armored scales, fiery breath, and immense strength, Leviathan symbolized chaos and destruction, an embodiment of the primal forces of the ocean. In Jewish traditions, Leviathan was one of the primal creatures created during the early days of the world. It was said that at the end of time, this beast would be slain and served at a great feast for the righteous. As stories spread across cultures, the image of Leviathan evolved. In Christianity, it became a symbol of Satan or sin, often linked to the devil lurking beneath the surface. Meanwhile, in medieval maps and sailor tales, Leviathan appeared as a warning, a monstrous serpent ready to drag ships into the abyss. Over time, Leviathan transformed from a religious symbol into a pop culture icon, inspiring movies, books, and video games. Today, it remains one of the most enduring sea monsters in mythology. Whether seen as a force of nature or metaphor for the unknown, Leviathan continues to fascinate and terrify, reminding us of the deep, dark mysteries that lie beneath the sea.